Did you know during the Second World War, the Axis powers, meaning Germany and France, were communicating their war commands using a sophisticated fancy-schmancy encoding machine called the Enigma machine. The Allies, mainly USA and Britain, were having a mighty hard time decoding these Axis messages of mass destruction. And then came along a superhero coder dude, Alan Turing. This British mathematical genius created and programmed a new giant machine to crack the Enigma code and help end Second World War, saving millions and millions of lives. So what exactly is a code? Simply put, a code is a language that the computer understands. Code can be used to manage the traffic lights, create video games, and sometimes even end wars. There's nothing code can't do. So that brings me to CodeChef. CodeChef is a platform for aspiring coders to practice, compete, and discuss everything about coding. This is a community that lets budding young students interact with pro-level programmers and become super awesome at coding. So now that you're super awesome at coding, here's some what you could do to become even more awesome. Start by participating in competitions such as UN's International Olympiad of Informatics, better known as the Olympics of Coding. Become a worldwide celebrity and win massive cash prizes. But wait, there is more. Get a preference in top universities of the world, such as MIT. To know more about coding and CodeChef, 1. Log on to www.codechef.com